We are always in the market for partners on the qualitative side for facility-based, or remote types of recruitment efforts, as well as hospitality and hosting groups that we might do. And on the quantitative side, we use many partners for data collection and other things. When it comes to facilities, we have been a long-term client of Focus Pointe Global's. We are located in Philadelphia, so we know of the company, and it's being headquartered here. We have tried everyone around the major and some of the minor companies as well when it comes to facility-based research across the country, city to city. Our clients are national, and their customer bases are also national. And so we were certainly, and have been for a very long time, aware of the company as one of the leaders in this field. I think we have moved toward near exclusive use of Focus Pointe Global as just basically based on results. Well, the qualitative side, for which we primarily use Focus Pointe Global, we always have, as every services firm does, a need to efficiently, both from a speed and a budgetary perspective, meet the objectives of our client engagements. In particular, we sometimes have fairly challenging recruiting processes for consumers or professionals, depending on who the audience is. Oftentimes the criteria that are in place for a particular recruit are very exacting. Sometimes they are eccentric. And I've always thought, and when I've been either extremely impressed or let down by vendors in this field in the past, it has largely been based upon the success of the recruit. I know with 100% certainty that any Focus Pointe Global facility that I would use or enter with my team and with my clients, the hospitality and the physical and interpersonal experience is going to be impeccable. And we would never, ever want to bring a client into an environment where there was any risk of that sort of hospitality-based experience going awry in any way, and it never has here. That said, that's about the people. That's about how effectively they're managed. That probably isn't the hardest part for a firm like this to perfect, although the consistency is very impressive. What is harder is to, day in and day out, project in and project out, be supportive of our objectives in terms of getting the recruit right, getting it done on time, avoiding the inevitable, or managing the inevitable issues that come up project by project. The people with whom we work, Jamie is our facility director here in Philadelphia. We do a lot of Philadelphia-based groups, but we use her as sort of a one-stop communications point for what we do around the country with FPG. And having that point of contact helps a lot. And I think that the uniqueness is found in a really end-to-end quality experience. Again, the hospitality is impeccable, but that isn't just it. The recruit is extremely strong in terms of output, and we have difficult recruits a lot of the time in terms of what we need, how to find them, and how to make sure they're there. And so, also with the fast-paced nature of a services business and the demands of clients, and those demands are placed on us, and we place them on our partners in turn. The ability of Jamie and the team at FPG to meet them for timing, to be accommodating of our budgetary needs, and to deliver. All we expect is that our partners will work as hard as we do, care as much as we do, and invest themselves personally in the outcome the way that we do. And everybody here does that. When you're looking for a world-class partner in particularly qualitative research, which is the focus of our relationship with FPG, facilities that are well located and extremely pleasant from the people through to the physical environment. Whether it's an easy or a difficult project, either way, it's going to get done. That it's a very strong and highly valued partner for us at Finch for the work that we have. And I would tell our clients, I would tell colleagues, I would tell whoever asks who we prefer to use for qualitative research, recruitment, and hosting of groups and everything else, that FPG, of the many that we've tried, and sometimes projects take us into geographies where there aren't a lot of options, and sometimes we do have a lot of options, but we invariably use FPG every time we possibly can, because we take our business seriously and we care. And there is a difference in quality and in output and in the ease of the working relationship between what we have here and what we've got with other companies.